Guys, so we just had a big rainstorm and like our streets are like really covered in water. Look, let me bring you out here real quick. Look at down the road over there. Oh, lightning's still going, but look at the roads are full of water. We're gonna go drive down a few of them, but thought I'd show you guys this. Look, literally the whole road's covered. I'll show you right now. Turn it down a tiny bit, maybe.
Huh? Turn it down?
Yeah. There we go.
Dang, look at all the water, bro.
Look at that.
Carlos was scared. Scared he was gonna drown.
Scared? I just didn't have shoes on my head.
Well, not yet, right here.
This whole road.
Oh my god, you got Ethan, it's right here, bro.
Dang.
Look at
I don't know if you guys can see this, but look. Dang.
Huh?
Look at this. It's this whole block right here almost. This is like the only dry spot. And then right here, it is full on all four corners. There it goes, they're going in.
Is that somebody right there?
Dude, we're literally in water right now. Let's see how it covered the whole sidewalk and everything almost on the yard.
There was a sidewalk hanging there.
Yeah.
And now it's impossible to tell where it is.
Look at that going up. You guys want to take a ride or go straight?
No, because it
Whoa,
stops right
all
here.
the water
Oh.
under the car.
Right here, look at
Because
this.
it stops right here.
Dang, look at that.
It's all flooded.
Hear that?
Hear that, Gila Monster?
You don't have no one in your dress like it's nothing.
It's because they're on
Timers.
like auto timers.
Dang, I wonder what it looked like in that little building. This is what I wish the EPA had was realistic water.
It does when it rains, when you have it raining.
Dang, these whole roads are full. Look at that. Let's go look at Birdie's.
And that just messed up the fairs, huh?
The what?
Right there,
Yeah,
the
the
fair
fair,
shore.
yeah.
And they needed it for like whatever.
Look at this.
Damn, I wonder about the Congo fair.
Look at Birdie's house. His yard is full.
Oh, not anymore. Look at it. Looks
Oh,
like
it drained
it's
out.
hanging out. Yeah.
Yep.
When we first passed by.
Look at that. No, there's still water all over. Look.
Not as bad as earlier, just a little bit ago.
We did it 5 minutes ago.
Dang, Birdie. Birdie had a lot of water in there.
Yeah, I was seeing with the doors wide open.
So there's people walking. Well, I guess not. Carlos, did you want to go somewhere else? Or just go home?